Jai Guruji, Shukrana Guruji, Anantam Shukrana. Thank you Guruji for giving me the blessing to share satsang today, and thank you Seema Auntie for this blessing. First of all, I would like to say that me coming here, it in itself is a satsang, because the way it happens all the time, and luckily today's 25th, again the 7 number, Guruji's favorite number, and I am here, in itself is a very big blessing and a satsang in itself. I have 2 satsang to share. I would start with one which is a little sad one, then we'll go to a funny one. So the first satsang is about, which is recent, like 5-6 months back. So I had an excruciating pain on left side, and left side, like this side of the kidney, and it was really bad. It was in the night, and I didn't know what to do, and it was really bad. It was hurting me, and I knew that there's something is wrong. This is not the normal pain. I called my dad. They are in India. My parents are in India. I called them. I said, Papa, बहुत दर्द हो रहा है left hand side में बहुत ज़्यादा. This is not the normal pain. And Dad was like, go to emergency right away. Like, don't delay, just go. अभी जाओ. I called my friend, and they took me there, and we went to the emergency. And as we all know, in the emergency, you really have to wait along here. So we were waiting. They did some test, and then my friend, he had to go, so he left. They did ultrasound. Apparently, she said that there might be a few stones, but they were not sure. So I was there whole night alone in the emergency, and I was really scared. I was paranoid. I was like, I don't know what's going to happen. Are they going to tell me to do a surgery? I really don't know. There were no doctors in the emergency. They just put me on saline, and they just told me to wait. They gave me some painkillers, and they were like, you just have to wait till morning. And I was like, can I just speak to someone? Can I just know what has happened to me? I'm all alone sitting over here. I don't have family here. If you can just let me know what has happened, I would really appreciate that. They said, there's no doctors right now. You just have to wait. So morning, I think it was 9. The doctor was there, and they came out to talk to me. And I was like, what has exactly happened? There's like, कुछ stones है, but I don't think that's the issue. But then I said, then what it is, can you please tell me that why I'm having such a pain and why it was? She was like, okay, let's do urine test. एक बार urine test भी करके देख लेते हैं. I said, okay. So she gave me the urine thing. I went and I did that. And there was something in the bottle I could see, but I wasn't sure. I said, okay, let them tell me what it is. So the nurse comes to me, and she's like, did you see you just peed a stone out? I said, oh, really? She's like, I had someone, I knew it, but I was like, let them confirm to me what it is. She said, yeah, so you are really lucky. So I said, oh, and when the doctor comes in, and she's like, okay, so you had a stone which is out, so I think you are good now, and everything is fine. You can just take such a few things that she told me to do, and she's like, you can go. I said, are you sure? And I was like, okay. So one night, and how Guruji takes away your pain, everything from you, knowing that he knew that I'm alone, I don't have a family here. I was sitting all alone in the emergency whole night. And I was overthinking. I was like, what if surgery bol diya to, pata nahi kya niklega, appendix ho gaya to. You know, this is a human tendency. We think beyond things. But how Guruji takes care of everything. And morning I came back home like around 10 and 11. I was like almost like 13-14 hours in the emergency whole night. And I came back and I told my mom. She's like, see what Guruji did. एक रात में ही चला गया, सुबह तुम्हारा stone भी निकल गया. Now you're absolutely fine. So thank you so much, Guruji. That's really a blessing. And I would say he is always there with you, no matter what. Yes, we get scared. We are sometimes, we don't know what's going to happen. We overthink. But Guruji just takes care of everything. Like, he's listening. He knows that, I know that, you're getting worried, but I am there. Just trust me and trust the process, and everything will be fine. I would like to share my second satsang, which is a very funny satsang, और वो मैं हिंदी में सुनाऊंगी, क्योंकि बहुत मजा आएगा, because it helps to build the story. That satsang is related to राखी, because राखी अभी गई है, और ये कुछ 3-4 साल पहले की बात है. तो मैंने नया आईफोन लिया था. तो आईफोन जब लिया था, तो मतलब आईफोन, मैं यूएस आई थी, एंड आई एम डूइंग माय पीएचडी. सो आईफोन लिया था. तो आईफोन लेने के में कुछ चीज़ें आपको कुछ कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री मिलती है, तो उसमें कुछ चार्ज उन्होंने मेरे में लगा दिया था. And so this is the backstory, but the thing is, this was day of Rakhi and I'm the only child. So I was just talking to Guruji. So मैं normally Guruji से बात करती हूँ, तो मैं Guruji से बोल रही थी, काश मेरा भाई होता. Like I have cousin brothers and I'm really blessed to have them. No offense, but I was just talking to myself, काश मेरा भाई होता, मुझे ना gift चाहिए Guruji आज राखी पे. I was just telling him, we were having this conversation. I was like, or that time I was very, I think a year or something to the US. So I was missing my home, family. So I was like, Guruji, मुझे ना राखी gift मिल जाता तो कितना अच्छा होता ना आज के दिन. And this is the conversation I was having. And then थोड़ा टाइम हो गया and then I think it was afternoon and I checked कुछ चार्ज लगा है एप्पल का, सब वो गलती से शायद लगा था, तो I called एप्पल का कस्टमर सपोर्ट. I said ऐसे ऐसे मेरे कार्ड पे चार्ज लगा है and I don't think that I got this. This was something complimentary and it was not a very major charge, minor था. But so I spoke to him. He's like, oh we are really sorry, ऐसा ऐसा है, हम आपको चार्ज तो रिवर्स कर देंगे, रिफंड कर देंगे, हम आपको फ्री एप्पल का एयरपॉड देंगे. और पहले तो मुझे समझ नहीं आया, मुझे लगा शायद कुछ गलती से उसने बोल दिया है. तो ऐसा होता नहीं, इट्स वेरी रेयर, दे नेवर गिव अवे, एप्पल इज दे विल नेवर गिव अवे थिंग्स फ्री. सो आई वाज लाइक, तो मैंने उससे दोबारा पूछा, मैंने कहा क्या? उसने कहा एप्पल का एयरपॉड विल बी कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री टू यू एज एन अपॉलॉजी फ्रॉम आवर साइड फॉर अ माइनर चार्ज. इट वॉज अ वेरी माइनर चार्ज टू बी ऑनेस्ट. एंड ही वाज लाइक, एंड आई वाज लाइक, oh really? He's like, yeah, within few days you will receive an Apple AirPod. और मैं गुरुजी को देख रही हूँ, गुरुजी मुझे देख रहे हैं. I'm like, what? I said, thank you, Guruji. And I had recently bought a new Apple phone and I wanted to buy an AirPod. So that day when I kept the call, I was like, oh wow. And of course, I'm still using that AirPod and I'm never going to give that AirPod away because that's my Rakhi gift from Guruji. And that was really funny. I said, thank you so much. आपने मुझे AirPod दिया, wow. I was really happy. Like I was so happy because वो सुनते हैं, like you know when you pray and this is very rare. Whenever I share this with any of my friends, it's like Apple कभी किसी को कुछ free में नहीं देता. पल्लवी तुम्हें कैसे AirPod मिला है? I said that's because of him. So yeah, so this is just मेरे छोटे छोटे सत्संग है which I really feel that it's actually not छोटे, बहुत बड़े हैं in its own way because Guruji tells you that I am listening. मैं हूँ. He is my father. He is my mentor. He is my guru. He is my everything and he is my brother. And today if I am here in the US, and I always say that doing my PhD from UAlbany in itself, last week I got my paper published. Thank you so much, Guruji, for that. I am so grateful to him. And I would definitely say just trust him, just surrender, complete surrender, have a connection with him and he will take care of everything. And again, thank you so much. Thank you so much for everything that you have given to me. I think even when I'm alive, it's because of him. And thanks for all the blessings that you have given to me. Thank you, Guruji. Thank you so much. बहुत 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 शुक्राना. Thank you.